Owning a house is a dream for everyone. Our own house is a big dream, particularly for Indians. And it is the largest financial investment that a person or a family makes in his life. When it is the most important and largest financial decision that he is making, that he or she or the family is making, a lot of thought goes into the same decision. One has to be very careful when one is making such a decision. For the vast majority of families of a person's, it is a once-in-a-lifetime decision. So when you make a once-in-a-lifetime decision, one has to be really careful, one has to be prudent, and one has to invest wisely. If the investment goes wrong, then a family's whole saving for that particular generation itself might be wiped out. So it is very important that this investment decision is taken very wisely and it should be very well thought out. So before investing in a house, any person or family should primarily look into two factors. One, he should do a reality check about the builder or promoter. And second, he should check on the project, particular project in which he or she or the family is going to invest. The best way they can get a feedback about the builder or about the project in which he or she is planning to invest is to meet or look at the existing customers of this particular promoter. So when they look about the builder, they should initially look at the people who are behind the whole project or the company. They should be able to verify the credentials of the promoter. After having done so, then they should look at the product and the services and how ethical the dealings of that particular company are. All these things can be easily found out in the present day times through the existing customers of that particular builder. Regarding the product, one should be able to find out whether the promoter or builder has delivered what he has promised, whether the quality of the product which he delivered was as per what he committed and as per the expectations of the buyer. The builder should also be able to deliver value to the customer. So this particular person, when inquiring about this builder, he should inquire whether this builder is a reliable builder, whether he delivers the committed quality, and more importantly, whether he has delivered at the committed time. If the project is delayed, the owner gets into a lot of trouble, that is, the allotee will get into a lot of trouble. He will be getting the home late, so his financial commitments also could go haywire. After having established the product credentials of the builder, they should look at the service credentials of the builder. How good the service this builder delivers. Service does not mean just what you call the services of the product as such, but what is the after-sales service that this promoter or builder delivers? The services during the project. How good was the builder in arranging housing finance? How good was the builder in taking care of all the other requirements of the particular buyer? Were they open to what you call making necessary small changes in the making of their home? So the sales service of a builder is also very important when the customer takes this important decision. Once he establishes the credentials of the builder and once he is confident about the services of the builder, he should also look at how ethical the builder's dealings are. Ethical dealings are very important now because a lot of unethical practices happen in this industry. So one should be very careful to choose an ethical builder who does everything in the proper manner, where he follows all the laws of the land and rules and regulations. So having said this, now that you have confirmed or valued the builder's credential, you should now go into the particular project of that particular builder. So the builder might have so many projects. So you have actually shortlisted one particular project of this builder. So you should be able to verify the credentials of that particular project. You might have chosen the location. You must have chosen the type of apartment which you want. You must have actually you might have been happy with the specifications of the project. You might be happy with the amenities of the project. All that well and good, that is fine. But there are two most important decisions, other than those which I've already said, which will add value to, which will help you in taking a proper decision. One most important thing is you should look at the legal title of that particular land and of that project. That is very, very important, because ultimately what you get after you pay the whole money to the builder is the land and building which you have paid for. So it is very important that you verify the legal documents of that particular project. So the most suitable method would be, I'm sure the builder would have done a lot of, his legal verifications would have been done, but it is equally important that you require the legal documents and have it vetted with your own legal advisors also, so that you have no doubt about the legality of the particular land on which the building is being built. And also you should be very careful to check whether the builder has got all the necessary clearances of the project. It is very important, because once the land is clear and your construction activities have begun, and later everything is over, and then you realize that the permissions were not in place, or there are some issues in permissions, it is going to be very difficult for you, because you have already paid your money to the builder and he has already constructed, and then you get into this trouble where there is something wrong with the clearances, and that could lead you into trouble again. So it is very important that you look at the legality or title of the land, and whether or not the builder has got all the necessary approvals and clearances from all the agencies. This can be easily vetted through a good legal consultant, and that will make your investment even more safer, and that will give you much more peace of mind, and you will be able to live happily and peacefully in your new home. Another aspect which you need to consider is, it is relatively new. You need to look into whether the ongoing project of the builder is RERA approved. RERA approval is relatively new in Kerala. It has just been implemented, but it gives you a lot of protection. It very clearly says, it brings out what the responsibilities of the builder or promoter is. It also, what you call, lists out the responsibilities and duties of the allotee also. So in order to make a good and wise, prudent investment, which is once in a lifetime for you, please look into all the legal matters, not only other matters which are also important, but all the legal matters of the project also, so that your investment is safe and you are having a peaceful ownership of your home. As far as Crescent is concerned, we call ourselves the most preferred homemakers in Calicut. We do this because we have been in the industry for more than 20 years now. We've completed more than 20 projects. We have got about 1,000 happy customers with us. One important thing about all our projects is, we have never so far delayed any of our projects even by a month. We have completed all our projects. The 20 projects which we have completed, we have completed right on time without any delay to our customers. Even during this COVID period, when we have started a new project, we are taking all necessary steps to see that the project is completed on time under the present circumstances. Another thing is, we are committed to delivering superior value to our customers. In most of our projects, we have exceeded the expectations of the customer by always upgrading one or two specifications which we have committed, so that we focus on delivering superior value to our customers. And our dealings have always been ethical, and it is a general talk in the market that Crescent's dealings are purely ethical, and there is no point in going to them with any unethical dealing. So it is a very transparent transaction which we have with our customers. And our after-sales service is very noteworthy, and we service our customers right from the time he's become our customer. As long as he is alive, we service the customer to that extent. And the customers of Crescent, I'm sure, are a very happy lot. And we look forward to delivering more value, superior value, and make stories of love with our customers. Thank you.